I'm sitting on the bench now to relax. This is a bench, and behind there is a street. The bench is beside the street, and what in front of me is a river. This is a river. On the other side of the river, to the left, there are rows of buildings. On the right side, there is a group of traditional houses, all in red. And next to it, there is a park. Wonderful view, right? Look, a bird just flew by. There is a bridge over the river. And these are railings. They are here to keep people from falling into the water. See that? There is a plane flying away in the sky. Whoa, look at those clouds. What I'm doing now is something called comprehensible input. Comprehensible input method has been proved to be one of the most efficient methods to learn a language. So that's why I'm starting this vlog series to shoot the interesting things happened around me or the real life moments happened in China. So if you are interested about the things happening in China or you want to improve your English, please start to follow me to watch all of my vlogs. And if you have anything interested or something you want to know about China, let me know. For today's video, I'm going to show you a street in my neighborhood. A very normal street. You can find it in every corner of China. Similar, but very typical. I'm walking on the crosswalk. This is a crosswalk. This green box next to the tree is a mailbox. Look, the ceiling above this bakery's entrance is peeling. Next to the bakery is a fresh fruit store, and in summer, nothing beats watermelon. I'm walking on the sidewalk here. This is called sidewalk. Well, all these electric bikes parked here, that's the road for cars. A food delivery guy here. He's picking up an order at a bubble tea shop. The yellow jacket and helmet are part of their uniform. Guess what this green cabinet is for? It's a self-service package locker. Delivery guys put your stuff here and you grab it by scanning a QR code. Easy peasy. Look, another delivery guy at another bubble tea shop. This guy in blue is from another food delivery platform. These guys and bubble tea shops are everywhere. This is a pharmacy, you know, where you get medicine and healthy products. This spot, blocked by some fence, is probably gonna build a new house here. Look at this popular street food shop. Business is crazy good. See this yellow thing by the shop? It's shared charging banks. All these people standing by the road? This is a bus stop. 2 buses stopped here already. And here is another pharmacy, slightly bigger than the last one we saw. Next to the pharmacy is this fantastic produce shop. Everything from fresh vegetables and fruits to quality meats, even live seafood here. Next to the small shop is a housing agency, you know, where people go to buy or rent apartments. A food delivery guy, again, waiting outside a coffee shop. This is a hair salon, a place where people come to get a haircut. Right next to it, there is a foot massage place. Good place to relax. Look at this one, a shop mainly for cigarettes and alcohol. A small clinic is what we call a neighborhood healthy center, where locals go for basic medical care. a lottery tickets shop, a handwear store, foot massage spot number 3, yes, third one in this street, an electric bike dealership, and surprise, foot massage place number 4. This is a public bike rental station. Like I mentioned in my previous video, these are government run, so you get 1 hour of free riding. Just scan with your phone and go. What we visited just now is a typical and normal street in China. It's very common. You can find it everywhere, in every neighborhood in China. But what's going next? It's not just the shops we saw earlier. What's coming up next is just as important to local life, like a tricycle filled with fresh fruit, a street food cart, a farmer's trunk selling homegrown produce, a pop-up plant stand. My summer favorite, this ice sugar water store, but the owner is on break. And watermelon, summer fruit. All of these are the heartbeat of our neighborhood's daily life. Just after I finished the shooting and on my way home, look at the sky there. And look here, the sunset's reflection dancing on the water. Q&A time. From my previous video, there are some friends asked about how I eat mantou, steamed buns. So let me show you. You can eat it just like this. It's soft and plain. Nice. Or you can eat it with your dishes. With your dishes as your main staple food, just like rice. Or some people even slice them and pan fry them. That gives the outside a crispy golden crust. That's how we eat mantou. Similar as bread, right? Here it is, my friend. That's the whole video. Do you like it? We visit the streets in my neighborhood. It's very important for normal people's life, for vibe of everyday life. That's all for today's video. Last but not least, as usual. So for today, let's review all the words again, which appeared in my video. Again, if you have any questions, any part of real life in China you are curious about, or any questions about my channel, my video, or me, comment below. Feel free to comment below. I'd be glad to hear from you. So, bye bye. See you next time, my friend. Bye bye.